today we are going to be putting the tint on the taillights and then getting it ready for the carbon fiber deck lid. So should look pretty good. If you didn't see the one video when I showed them, this is what they look like. They're just these tinted tail pieces. So hopefully they look pretty good and make it look better, because these ones don't really match that well with the green, I don't think. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna put them up first, make sure I know that they're all, which ones go for which light, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, so we put them up, and as you can see, that looks a million times better. So yeah, it's kind of hard to tell from the camera, but I mean, look at that. That looks so much better. So right now I just have them like up, they're not stuck down or anything, but to make sure that they all fit where they're supposed to fit, because I had two backwards and it didn't want to go in. So make sure you have them where they need to go and they'll all fit. So just taking one back off here so you can see. So it's just this little thing, so that you peel off and then stick down. So hopefully these stick good. I don't know, I guess we'll just have to see. If they fall off, they fall off. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. There's the stock red look, and then there's the blacked out one. So that, I mean, that looks a million times better. So I'm gonna get them all stuck down and then we'll be good to go. All right, so as you can see, we got them up. This looks so much better than the stock. It looks a lot better in person than it does on over the phone camera, but I mean, as you can see, that just looks great. And we're gonna get those tinted soon, and then the ones down here. So it'll match everything, and we're gonna get started on the carbon fiber deck lid next. So it's gonna look great when we get all these, when it's all said and done. Get rid of this ugly chrome GT badge, and yeah, I think it's gonna look really good. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.